Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the air blast load or air blast loading over the composite panel with 4 layers. Let me to check it in this view. So this is CFRP with 4 layer, silicon carbide as a middle part, aluminium and steel material under the blast load, and we use JC plasticity and damage for these two metal and brittle material for the ceramic, and the hashing damage criterion for the CFRP. So let me to click on this and let me just hold first the steel part. See, this is the steel part. We click on animate. This is the stress which happened during the this is the last one during the explosion, and this is the Johnson quick damage for that. And let's me to check it, because this is the symmetry model. We can make it we can use this option ODB. We can use mirror to create the whole model. See, this is the whole model and this is the damage. Again, let me check the stress. Again, click on animate. See the stress propagation. We can see the frame by frame for the stress in the steel material. And let me check the plastic strain, the displacement, and now let's me to replace aluminium part. Okay, the second layer, this is the aluminium and the stress. See the stress by using this option. This is the stress in the aluminium. Okay, and now let's me to replace the ceramic or silicon carbide. First the stress. See, this is the stress in the ceramic. Okay, and the damage. See the damage. Let me check it in this view. Damage propagation, and in this view, see, it is much bigger, the damage. This is the damage in the ceramic. And let me to check plastic strain. After that, yield criterion. See, this is the yield criterion. Also the ductile damage. Okay, these are the outputs for the ceramic. And now let's me to replace the CFRP. The CFRP with 4 layers, and let's me to use free edge for it to have a better view of the fiber. Okay, this is the displacement. Now let's me to check the stress. The stress, it is a good view of the stress, and we can use a limit for this to have a better view. For instance, make this 1 instead 2. See that it is better. And let's click on animate. Okay, and the damages for this. This is the tensile damage for the matrix. The compressive damage for the matrix. And also for the fiber we can check. Okay. See? These are the damages. And the convex load. This is the convex load pressure on the top surface of the steel beam, steel plate. So if you need this tutorial with all its specifications, you can come to our website www.abaqus.com. Find the English tutorial or search the title in the search section of the website to find this tutorial. Click on the title or blue sign, and then you will have explanation about the geometry and assembly. Then we explain the material method for each part, and then the step interaction load and the mesh, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. You can provide CA, IMP, and English video file with paper as a reference for the material for 28 euros. You can pay for that through a PayPal account, or if you have a PayPal account, you can use a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.